This is a 1999 Ford Mondeo ST200 with 160,000 miles on the clock. It used to be a Ford press car, and I bought this to daily. It could be a terrible idea. So yeah, on first impressions, it's actually not that bad, but it's definitely not perfect. So yeah, a few things on the bodywork. We've got scratches, wheels are a bit tatty, a little bit of door rust, scratch on the bumper, back's pretty good, Ford's friend, rust, badly painted arch. Rest of this side's not too bad, tiny little ding in the door there. And yeah, not too bad really. Tyres are not great. These are definitely getting changed straight away. Yeah. They're cracked. Now, it's definitely been lowered. For me, it's a little bit too low. That needs sorting. So at 160,000 miles, I'd like to say the interior is where it shows signs of age, but it's actually really, really good. There's a tiny bit of wear on the steering wheel. Really, not that bad. The seats are, fantastic. There isn't a lot of wear on them. They're in very good condition, front and back. Door cards, very good. Dashboard, trims, a gear knob, look at that. So yeah, the inside is actually a really nice place to be and everything works. So straight away, this car needs tyres, suspension, brakes and a major service. There's other bits, but we won't worry about them just yet. Oh, so you can tell it's done 160,000 miles. There's the bushes creaking. It's just a little tired. The suspension's a little bit rough. We got a few trim fizzes. Oh! The exhaust's good though. That's what it's got. This is why I like it. V6. Little blip. Little blip. All the revs. Oh. Engine's good. Engine very good. Bippity. Boppity. Boo. Oh. That's why I love it. So yeah, it's actually better than I was expecting, but tyres are definitely the first thing that need doing. They were very, very sketchy. So that's what we're doing next.